We've got a helicopter that keeps flying really low out by Bernie Mountain and coming back over us. I hope they're not planning another fire for us. Sounds like he's coming back. Let me see if I can get a shot of him. I can hear him, but I can't tell where exactly he is. He's flying real low.